SketchUp has lots of ways of being able to draw things really, really accurately. The next thing we want to be able to do is make sure we've got the hole that we're going to have in the middle of this right in the middle. Now, the first thing we could do is we could get the circle tool up, and there are ways of hovering down this side. You'll notice that it will snap to something called the midpoints. That's halfway between that line and that line there. So remember that. And sometimes if you're really accurate, you can kind of slowly go across, and SketchUp will go, well, you've hit the middle of the square. And again, sometimes you have to find two midpoints and then they can join, so you can see that they have shown me the middle. This doesn't always work, and it can be a bit of a faff. So what I tend to do is I'm going to use the line tool. So this is the little pencil, and I'm going to click little pencil, and all I'm going to do is, just like you would if you were doing this with a pen and pencil and a ruler, I'm just going to draw a point from corner to corner, and what it does is X marks the center of my circle. So now I've got that center. Happy days. Get the circle tool, and I'm going to click right in the middle, so I need to make sure I am in that point there. Click once and let go. So again, like with SketchUp, we want to make this really, really accurate. So I'm not kind of clicking and holding and hoping for the best in my radius down here. I'm going to just click once, and now what I can do is type in, my radius wants to be 40 millimeters. So the radius is from the middle to the edge of your circle, okay? Which means that the whole distance from one side to the other is 80 millimeters, which is 8 centimeters. Then going to get my eraser tool, and if I'm really, really accurate, my eraser tool, I can click right in the middle and I can get rid of all 4 lines at once. Sometimes I'm not as accurate, so I have to go and delete them separately, and then I'm going to get rid of this line here, and that one and that one. So all I'm left with is this circle on the top surface of my design.